Welcome back to our channel. Today we are excited to explore the top 4 best mini drill machines for 2025. Whether you are a DIY enthusiast, a professional crafter, or just looking for a reliable tool for your home projects, these mini electric drill machines are perfect for you. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 4. Dremel High-Power Electric Drill. Whether you are a seasoned craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, this incredible tool is a must-have in your toolkit. The Dremel High-Power Engraver Electric Drill, available in 2 powerful options, 260 watts and 480 watts. This versatile engraving rotary tool is equipped with a flexible shaft, making it easier to reach those intricate areas of your projects. One of the standout features is its 6-position variable speed setting, which allows you to customize your speed according to your task. You can achieve a high speed of up to 30,000 revolutions per minute for grinding, while low speed settings are perfect for delicate polishing. This tool is not just an engraver, it is a multifunctional electric mill. From wood to stone, plastic to ceramic, and even metal, the Dremel High-Power Electric Drill can handle it all. Imagine the creative possibilities when you can engrave, grind, cut, polish, drill, and clean joints with one tool. Using this electric drill is a breeze. The universal chuck allows for a wide range of drill bit installations, accommodating sizes from 0.6 millimeters to 6 millimeters. With a stepless speed regulation feature, you can effortlessly switch between high-speed grinding and low-speed polishing. Safety is a top priority. The Dremel High-Power Electric Drill comes with a built-in cooling fan and a porous heat dissipation cycle, ensuring the tool remains cool during extended use. So, whether you are working on home furnishings or enjoying leisure carving in your free time, the Dremel High-Power Electric Drill is the ideal companion for all your projects. Number 3. DEKO Rotary Tool Grinder Drill. The DEKO rotary tool is equipped with a powerful 170-watt motor, providing robust performance for a variety of tasks. It comes with a flexible shaft measuring 1.8 meters, allowing for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. With a speed range of 8,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute and 6 speed adjustments, you can easily customize the speed to suit your specific needs, whether you are cutting metal or polishing jewelry. One of the highlights of the DEKO rotary tool is its impressive accessory kit, which includes 127 pieces. The cover shield offers enhanced protection during cutting and grinding, while the drill locator ensures precision in woodworking. Additionally, the buffing wheel can effectively repair dents and clean surfaces for a smoother finish. This comprehensive rotary toolkit includes mini sanders, polishers, die grinders, wood carving tools, grout removal tools, metal cutters, and engravers, enabling you to tackle a wide range of projects efficiently. Comfort is key when using power tools. The DEKO rotary tool features an ergonomic design with a soft rubber body that ensures comfort during extended use. An assist handle allows for a 2-handed grip, providing better control for intricate tasks. Furthermore, ventilation holes in the housing help dissipate heat during operation, maintaining consistent performance and extending the life of the tool. This power rotary tool comes with 4 collets, 1/8 of an inch, 2 pieces of 1/16 of an inch, and 3/32 of an inch. This wide compatibility ensures stability when setting accessories for grinding, cutting, wood carving, sanding, engraving, and more. The 3-jaw universal chuck stabilizes your project and allows for quick and easy accessory changes. Number 2. HILDA Electric Drill. The HILDA electric drill grinder is a robust power tool with a 400-watt motor that delivers strong performance for a wide range of applications. Whether you are engraving, grinding, or drilling, this electric rotary tool is designed to meet your needs. One of the standout features of the HILDA electric drill grinder is its 6-speed regulation. With this feature, you can easily adjust the speed to match the specific requirements of your project. Whether you need high-speed operation for grinding or lower speeds for delicate engraving, this tool has you covered. The drill is equipped with a solid 3-jaw chuck that is both firm and durable. This chuck has a clamp range of 0.6 millimeters to 6.5 millimeters, ensuring compatibility with a variety of drill bits. This feature provides stability and precision for all your tasks. Inside the HILDA electric drill grinder is a pure copper motor that offers a strong output while remaining resistant to overheating. This durability ensures that you can use the tool for extended periods without worrying about performance issues. Additionally, the HILDA electric drill grinder operates at 220 volts with an output of 180 watts. This mini drill features a 5-speed adjustment, allowing for even more versatility to accommodate various needs and tasks. The HILDA electric drill grinder is an essential tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional crafter. With its powerful motor, adjustable speeds, durable chuck, and ergonomic design, you will be able to tackle any project with ease and precision. Number 1. DIY Engraving Electric Drill. The DIY Engraving Electric Drill is compatible with a wide range of materials, including wood, glass, metal, and ceramics. This versatility allows you to tackle diverse crafting needs, making it an essential tool for both beginners and experienced artisans. One of the standout features is the dual LED lighting, which provides clear visibility even in dimly lit workspaces. This enhancement allows for greater precision when working on intricate details, ensuring that you can see exactly what you are doing. Included with the DIY Engraving Electric Drill is a comprehensive accessory kit containing 236 accessories. This extensive collection supports a variety of DIY projects, from woodworking to metal engraving, allowing you to experiment with different techniques. Comfort is key during long crafting sessions. The drill features an ergonomic design with a comfortable handle and a lightweight body, making it easy to use for extended periods without fatigue. This tool offers a versatile 6-speed adjustment ranging from 8,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. This adjustable speed control provides precision for various materials, ensuring that you can achieve the desired results with ease. The DIY Engraving Electric Drill is powered by a high-quality motor that operates silently while providing stable and powerful performance. Its skeletonized multi-hole heat sink design ensures fast cooling, preventing overheating during extended use. With a depth adjustment feature for accurate engraving and punching, as well as a 360-degree flexible shaft for convenient handling, this tool adapts to your needs. The metal collet nut securely locks different accessories, allowing for easy replacement. And there you have it, our top 4 best mini drill machines for 2025. We hope this video has helped you discover the perfect tool for your projects. If you enjoyed the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Have any questions or thoughts? Share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy drilling!